This global design collaboration of the industrial design program is an example of signature learning at Philadelphia University. We formed a collaboration and association with two other programs, industrial design programs. One is Lincoln University in the UK and the other one is San Jose State University.
I think what's really exciting about this particular project is that it is a reflection really of real world. We're bringing designers from different parts of the world together who have previously communicated, will continue to communicate via virtual communication methods. And the ultimate is one of the most prestigious design shows in the world.
The work they're doing here has the potential of being shown in Milan at the SaloneSatellite in April of 2011. I've been working with my students on this concept of play and how that is achieved in the realm of designing sustainable products.
At the start of the project, we've got the students to research what they think play is, to put down their own thoughts on what play is.
Everyone had their own preconceived notions of what play was. It was pretty amazing how these different ideas kind of came together into these products.
They are coming up with a lot of really interesting concepts about how objects affect their living environment and how objects affect people's perceptions about what they think that object might do.
It's one thing to recognize the important factors that are involved with play, but what can we do as designers to make these actionable?
They're building models, they're sketching, they're working late nights and seem to be having a lot of fun together, being creative and learning from each other also.
One of the things that we decided here at Philadelphia University, and this was a very conscious decision, is that we weren't going to actually structure the interaction between the students.
Going into it, we had no idea what to expect. We didn't even have groups, we didn't know the parameters, and we kind of just all brought it together based on what we came up with and how our minds collaborated together.
What I enjoyed most about this project was the initial brainstorming sessions I had with the people from other countries and from other schools in the area. And what was great about that is how quickly ideas can be created just from a sketch.
It may be that play that we're looking at is for the end user, the third party, to have a product that they can play with. But it may just be something very simple where it's maybe the designer who has the opportunity to play with a new material.
We're trying to involve the participants and the users in the act of discovery and discovering what this playful object does.
Where I may be coming from one perspective, someone else can have the other side of it and just add so much more depth to the project itself and the product that we create. The different perspectives, the different skill sets, just expanding the horizons of what we can do.
From conceptualization, you can take those ideas into reality and production and marketing, and this project really allowed us to start thinking about a new way of collaborating.
Each student has now had the possibilities that their world can afford them as a designer, and it also gives them a lot more options and opportunities to think about as they graduate from school and go into the professional work world.
We're in a period of time, not just here at this university, but at a lot of universities where collaboration has become the buzzword. How do we sit people down at the same table who are coming from different perspectives and benefit from those different perspectives and allow them to work together as a group? We've seen it this week with students coming from very different programs and yet being able to sit down immediately and start throwing ideas back and forth and playing off one another's ideas, and then having all the skill sets necessary to take those ideas and actually make material realities out of them.
Designers have to be ready to work with people from all cultures and all countries if they're going to survive and thrive in a globalized world. And the readier our students are for this, the better off they're going to be.